Let's do hango. This is our home cooked food series. Today is pininyang manok. This is a recipe from my nanay. And try ko lang siyang recreate. By the way, this video was made last year. I had a time off from work, almost a month. And isip ako nang gagawin ito. Ngayon lang natin edit yan. Gisa natin. Basic. Sibuyas, luya, bawang. Halo-halo na. Ilang halo pa. Season natin. Salt. Sarap ng crackling sound ng pepper. Then let's put the chicken. Sear lang natin siya dyan. Yun, tapos na. Nabaliktad na natin yan. Star na ingredient. Yan, pinya natin. Then, para magkasabaw, we put coconut milk. Titikman na natin. Sisusunan. Patis lang yun, guys. Ayan, malapit na tayo. Huling tikim. Huli na nga tayo. Yun, let's go. We'll put the recipe in the comment section.